are you affected by fraud? When we ask this question, only 58.5% believe, this is the average of everyone, all age groups, believe they are personally affected by fraud. But what's shocking here to me is, Tom, you look at 44 and below, they don't think they are affected by fraud compared to the 45 plus. They are the ones that are most tolerant with fraud though. So how can this be?
Well, I believe younger Americans believe the cost of fraud will be paid by others, and it'll be passed along as part of the claims process, as part of doing business, and that'll be passed on in insurance premiums. But what they don't realize is that the amount is higher than they think. For example, it's about a $300 increase in premiums each year. A family of four, it's an increase of about $1,000 in increased goods and services. And by goods and services, I mean, if you're a trucking company and there's staged accidents involving trucks, their insurance premium goes up. Of course, the cost of shipping oranges is going to go up. So everything comes back in the increase of goods and services. So I think that's part of the reason that they don't believe they're affected by insurance fraud.
So how can we educate these individuals, especially the younger generation, with the goal of ultimately reducing fraud in the United States? How can we educate them?
Well, I think we need to implement a robust public awareness campaign specifically targeted at that age bracket, 18 to 44, but more specifically the 18 to 24 age bracket. I think it's important that we focus on that younger generation and let them know that fraud is a crime and that it costs everyone. And fraud is the crime we all pay for. And I think we also have to let them know that there's consequences for committing fraud. There's, the chance of having a criminal record, the loss of income, the opportunity to not gain employment. So there's a lot involved when you commit insurance fraud. So, you are affected one way or the other.